Good morning, student. I am going to continue the chapter dissolution of partnership firm. This is my lecture number 48. Under dissolution of partnership firm, we have to solve practical problem based on memorandum balance sheet. In this question, we have to first observe that balance sheet not given in question. Then I will prepare memorandum balance sheet. So, student, when no balance sheet is given in question, then I will prepare first memorandum balance sheet. So, see the question and I will prepare memorandum balance sheet first. Question says, ABC started business on 1st January 2019. They agreed to share the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their capital were 40,000, 40,000 and 20,000 respectively. The partnership provided for interest on capital at 8% per annum. During 2019, the firm earned a profit of Rs 20,000 before providing interest on capital. During the year, partners' drawing were Rs 10,000, Rs 10,000 and 6,000 respectively. They decided to dissolve the firm on 31st December 2019. The assets were sold, which realized Rs 1 lakh and cash in hand was 10,000. There were credited to the amount of 36,000 which were paid off Rs 34,000. There were liabilities amounting Rs 8,000 not shown in the books, which were also to be paid. Prepare necessary account to close the books of the firm. So this is the format of memorandum balance sheet. In this question, student, first we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, then partner capital account, then memorandum balance sheet, because profit has not distributed and interest on capital has not been given till time. So we should prepare first profit and loss appropriation account, then partner capital account, and then memorandum balance sheet. But I include PL appropriation account and partner capital account both in balance sheet, and all the interest on capital and profit distribution and drawing will show the liability side capital account only. In short, we can prepare the balance sheet such a type. So first, age capital is given in question. Age capital. Age capital is given in question rupees 40,000. And when I distribute profit is given in question 20,000 for the year, and interest on capital will be 8,000 interest on capital, and I will deduct interest on capital 8,000 because total capital is 40,000 plus 40,000 plus 20,000. It will be 1 lakh, and at the rate of 8% per annum, the interest on capital will be 8,000. So first I will deduct 20,000 minus 8,000. It will be 12,000, and 12,000 will distributed among partner in the ratio of 2:1. So age interest on capital will add in capital. Interest on capital will be 48% of 40,000. It will be 32,000, 3,200 plus share of profit will be, age profit will be 4,800, and age drawing is also given in question. It is given 10,000, so drawing will be minus 10,000. So remaining balance of age will be 38,000. So now age capital will be 38,000. Same B's capital is given also 40,000, and interest on capital will be 3,200, and age drawing is also 10,000, and profit of B's also will be 4,800, and minus drawing 10,000 is given. So it will be same as age capital 38,000 because all the item is same. Now C's capital is given. seed capital is given 20,000 and interest on capital will be 1,600 and profit, share of profit will be 2,400 and minus drawing is given in question 6,000. So total will be 18,000. Now student, once again more, 20,000 profit minus 8,000 total interest on capital, because 3,200, 3,200 and 1,600. Total will be 8,000 interest on capital. Remaining balance of profit will shared by ABC in the ratio of 2:1. So I will distribute it 4,800, 4,800 and 2,400, and drawing of partner given 10,000, 10,000 and 6,000. 10,000, 10,000 and 6,000. So total capital of partner is calculated in this way. For this calculation, I can also prepare the first profit and loss account. I will transfer profit and loss, then distribution of profit, then profit and interest on capital will transfer into partner capital account, and in debit side of partner capital account I will write drawing of partner, then balance CD will be calculated, it will be same. Now creditor is also given in question, so creditor is given 36,000 and total of capital account will be 1,30,000. Cash is also given, cash 10,000, and balancing figure will be sundry assets. Sundry assets. It will be 1,20,000. So memorandum balance sheet has been completed. Now I will prepare partners capital account. So let us see partner capital account. This is the format of partner capital account. Partners capital account, DR side and CR side. Particulars A, B, C. Particulars A, B, C. Now I will transfer, from memorandum balance sheet. I have to prepare first realization account. So realization account, format of realization account will also prepare. Now first I will transfer by balance BD in partner capital account This is calculated 38,000, 38,000 and 18,000. Now I prepare realization account. Student, you have to know that first we have to prepare memorandum balance sheet, then realization account, then partners capital account. Now I will transfer assets, sundry assets in realization account. This is 1,20,000 is given. Now next thing, creditor by creditor is also given 36,000. By cash for assets realized is given 1 lakh in question, and we have to pay cash for creditors 34,000 and cash account for expenses is given 8,000. Now I will calculate the balance of realization account. It will be 1,62,000, 1,62,000, and loss will transfer to partner capital account A, B and C. 10,400, 10,400 and 5,200. Total will be 26,000. Now I will transfer the loss of realization in debit side of partner capital account. Loss, this is 10,400, 10,400 and 5,200. Now I will also calculate the balance of partner capital account. 38,000, 38,000 and 18,000. 38,000, 38,000 and 18,000, and bank account will be remaining balance, so it will be 27,400, 27,400 and 12,800. So this is the balance of partner which partners will get in cash. So I will also prepare cash account at the last. So see, this is cash account, debit side and credit side. To balance BD is given 10,000. Now assets realized, So realization account will be 1 lakh, and in credit side, by realization expenses and credited, total will be 42,000, and we have to pay the partner also. Bank account will be age capital account, B's capital account, and C's capital account. It will be 27,400, 27,400, and 12,800. Now I will balance it. Both sides will be equal. Total of cash account will be 1,10,000 in debit side and also in credit side. So this question has been solved. Now I will meet you in next video with some next topic. So this is the solution of the question. First, student, when no balance sheet is given in question, first we have to prepare memorandum balance sheet. Second, realization account. Third, partners capital account. And fourth, cash and bank account. So this is the process for solving the problem when no balance sheet is given in question in case of dissolution of partnership firm. Now I will meet you in next video with some new topic and new chapter. Thank you very much.